And welcome back to my holiday organizing tips series, where I will be uploading holiday organizing tips to help you achieve just a little more organization this holiday season. If you missed any of my previous videos, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description box below, or you can just click on the iCard up there and it'll take you right to them. Okay, today's organizing tip is about creating a manageable to-do list during the holiday season. Now, what I see time and time again is that people put humongous tasks on their to-do lists, and when they don't complete them in that day, they feel defeated. They feel like they have failed in some way. And that's simply not the case. What has actually happened is that you have put projects on your to-do list and not jobs on your to-do list. So the first thing I want you to remember is there is a difference between projects and jobs. Projects are activities that take several hours, if not days, to complete. Jobs are usually things that take less than an hour to do. Your jobs, multiple ones, make up the big project. So an example of a project would be decorating the entire outside of your home, because that takes several hours to complete, sometimes a day, sometimes a weekend to complete, so that is a project. What you want to do on your to-do list is list all the jobs it takes to complete that project. So like I said, for example, the outside of the house, you'd want to list that as your project, decorating the outside. Then you can list as your jobs, unpack lights and test them. And then I always recommend putting a little time estimate after it. Then you could put wrap lights around the post. Then you could decorate the bushes and set up figurines around your yard. So basically, my tip for creating a manageable to-do list is to only put the jobs on your to-do lists. Leave the projects off, and your to-do list will be a lot more manageable and feel so much more fulfilling when you complete it. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like more holiday tips like this, be sure to get my downloadable PDF that is filled with even more organizing tips and 55 pages of organizing to-do lists to help you keep track of everything during this holiday season. The link to my PDF is found in the description box below. Be sure to check back tomorrow for more holiday organizing tips. See you next time.